News that's coming in from the state of Karnataka now. Former JDS MP Prajwal Revanna has now been convicted for rape. Former JDS MP has been convicted by a Bengaluru court. Now, this is a rape case that was filed against him by one of the domestic workers at the family's farmhouse in Hassan. The quantum of the sentence is likely to be announced today. This, in fact, is the first of the 4 rape cases and sexual harassment cases that have been filed against Prajwal Revanna, and this is the case that has completed trial. Prajwal is the grandson of former Prime Minister of our country, H.D. Deve Gowda, and has been accused of raping, filming obscene videos of the victim, as well as using criminal intimidation to destruct evidence against him. One of the most clinching evidences which has been submitted and accepted in the court was the victim's sari, which she had preserved. Forensic analysis confirmed the presence of Prajwal's DNA on the sari, which established that there was indeed rape. The opposition is also up in arms over the issue, accusing JDS and the ally BJP of not speaking a word against Prajwal, as well as using opposition leaders like D.K. Shiv Kumar to distract from their crimes.
Well, the conviction proves all the allegations made by the victims from Hassan, and I think it is time that the JDS leaders and the BJP leaders come out and answer the questions that the people have been asking for long. While you endorse his parliamentary candidature, this kind of heinous crime should not go unpunished, however powerful you are.
देखिए, जो स्पेशल कोर्ट प्रज्वल रेवन्ना को कन्विक्टेड घोषित किया है, जजमेंट दिया है, हम इसका स्वागत करते हैं। प्रज्वल रेवन्ना उनके जो जेडीएस पार्टी है, जेडीएस पार्टी अभी किसके साथ है? अभी बीजेपी के साथ है। उनके ऊपर अभी भी बहुत सारे केसेस हैं, अभी बाकी है, पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है। ये तो एक जजमेंट आया है। अगर हासन में जाकर लोगों को पूछे तो इनका अभी भी कर्मकांड, इनका रेप केसेस, अत्याचार केसेस इतना भयानक है, इतना भयानक है। इनका जितने भी और सारे केसेस है उसमें भी इनको कन्विक्ट होना और इनके बारे में जजमेंट आना जरूरी है।
Prajwal Revanna, once a very powerful political heir, is now facing the weight of justice. Convicted in one of the many disturbing rape cases, graphic videos and multiple FIRs, there is also damning evidence of blackmail and abuse. In fact, even his own family members disowned him. He tried to escape to Germany, but that attempt failed, and now the law is catching up. He is the predator who thought that he was untouchable. Watch this report.